DevOps as code is an easy way to define everything in your DevOps pipeline as code, including packages, infrastructure, environments, release templates, and more. You can maintain these definitions in source control management alongside your application code. DevOps as code makes it easy to keep track of changes, to revert changes when needed, and to collaborate across DevOps teams using the tools you already know and love. With XebiaLabs, the end-to-end software delivery pipeline becomes something that you can version control, share across the organization, and audit with ease. Getting started with DevOps as code is as easy as writing a YAML file that describes the items you want to create, and applying it to the XebiaLabs DevOps platform with a fast, lightweight command line interface. If you're already using the XebiaLabs DevOps platform, you can get started by exporting your existing configuration items, release templates, and more as YAML files. The YAML file's tree-like structure is easy to read and easy to understand. You can apply YAML files as many times as you'd like. You don't have to build logic that checks whether items exist before you update their properties. And you can invoke the command line interface from your continuous integration pipelines, so changes are applied as soon as you commit them. Let's take a look at the YAML format. This sample file describes an Amazon ECS cluster that uses the Fargate launch type. And this file describes a release pipeline that will provision the cluster and deploy an application to it. I also have a file that points to my other YAML files, which means that I just need to execute one CLI command to create everything I need in the XebiaLabs DevOps platform. Now, if I go to the XebiaLabs GUI, I can see that the CLI created configuration items that represent the Amazon ECS infrastructure described by the YAML file. The CLI also automatically created a release template and started the release pipeline that will provision the ECS cluster and deploy an application to it. DevOps as code allows teams to define everything they need to execute fast, repeatable, scalable releases and deployments in code. To try it for free, visit XebiaLabs.com today.